Introduce highlight features and quick overview of NEZINI car dash cam, dashboard camera recorder with 32GB SD card. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand, and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. That car dash cam with Sony Exmor IMX291 image sensor. That sensor provides star night vision, 3-inch screen captures Full HD 1080p 30 fps, daytime video. Nighttime also with high quality. It needs a micro SD card to record, so we include 32GB SD card. That camcorder also can handle a card up to 128GB. Melcam driving recorder with 250 mAh polymer lithium-ion battery enables the camera to wake up when the sensor detects a collision. The current video is locked, ensuring important footage is kept protected. Locked video will be kept safe from being overwritten. When the storage limit is reached on the memory card, new recordings will automatically overwrite oldest recordings. Video can be recorded in 1, 3, 5, or 10-minute intervals. In addition, the product has a gesture sensor function that allows you to take pictures with a wave of your hand. The 6 layers glass lens opens up to capture up to 8 roads view of your surroundings, and the lens of the dash cam can be adjusted in 2 dimension, left right, up down. The camera automatically adapts by fine-tuning the exposure of the camera to create balanced images and footage. One can barely see it from the outside of my vehicle. Easy mount with easy dash cam attach and detach mechanism. The dash cam can operate properly in wide temperature range from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 158 degrees Fahrenheit, -20 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius. If you do not understand, not sure or have questions from described in this video, you can access the link in the video description box. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.